I didn't hear anybody for Goodspeed, so I believe we're in the pattern by ourselves. So yeah, there's a runway in sight.
Not exactly the busiest airport around. I don't think I've ever been at Goodspeed with another person in the pattern.
Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 33, get back. We're about 3.5 miles to the northwest now, and beginning descent for left downwind for runway 32 Goodspeed. And Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 33, get back. We're on the left downwind now. We're going to extend for traffic on the runway and wait for our turn. 33, get back.
I think there's a little side overrun here. I can park if you want to land, but I think I'll be off before you even go base.
33, get back. We'll extend. Look at this time. We got you in sight, sir. Take your time.
That just means we're going to have to hit that short field takeoff procedure.
And Goodspeed traffic, Cirrus departing 32 will be left turn out, going down. Goodspeed.
Left turn out and going eastbound do not make sense together.
The gas fund turn and final 06 book.
Double check. Let your fuel pumps on, land lights on. Gumps check. 1,200. Guys rolling. One notch of flaps. Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 3 to go back, swing left base, runway 32 Goodspeed. Alright, we got a boat marina there. Those mountains look a little close there. Watch my speed. Second notch of flaps in. We're at 70 here. 800 feet. Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 3 to Quebec's turning final runway 32 Goodspeed. Alright, let's watch this airspeed. We're at 700 here.
Goodspeed, Cirrus, midfield left downwind, 32, departing to the east, Goodspeed.
Watch the speed here, we're at 550. We'll get that full flaps in. Full flaps.
Yeah, right around 60 knots is what we're looking for.
Flaps out.
Easy.
Yep.
Down the brakes. There we go.
Dump in the flaps so I can
Always remember back pressure.
Alright. Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 3 to Quebec back takes your runway 32 Goodspeed.
It always catches me off guard how narrow this runway is.
The approach to me was not stabilized, so I was making a lot of corrections there.
There's a little bit of wind going on.
Wasn't too bad, it just a lot of little corrections. Kept me on my toes. My hands sweat a little bit. Wanna try it again?
Go for it.
Alright. Get the plane ready for departure. Electric fuel pumps on, landing lights on, anti-collisions on. Mixture is full rich. We're staying on the right tank. Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec. We're taxiing onto runway 32. We'll be staying in the pattern Goodspeed. Looks good. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec. On the roll, runway 32 Goodspeed will be making left turn traffic.
Goodspeed traffic, helicopter 4010, pop, 9 miles to the north, 1,500, transitioning north to south along the west bank of the Connecticut River. Goodspeed traffic.
Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec just departed runway 32. We're on the departure leg. We'll be climbing to 1,000 for the downwind, left downwind from runway 32 Goodspeed. Just giving some extra calls in there.
Especially when you hear somebody else on the radio.
All right, so clear the obstacle. Nose down, 1 notch out. Positive rate of climb, 2 notches out. Airplane's clean.
Piper Foxtrot, left base, runway 02, Robertson.
Trim back for 79. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec turning left, crosswind runway 32 Goodspeed. We're at 9 hundo. $1,000. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec turning left down for runway 32 Goodspeed. 1200's a little high.
Sky Acres, Skyhawk 628, we're 9 miles east, setting up for runway 35. Goodspeed traffic, full plane 642, we get to downwind traffic, so we're going to turn in behind you, taking 500 southbound.
Mid left field downwind, runway 2, Robertson.
See him?
Yeah, I got him.
At the seaplane?
Yeah, seaplane. All right, we're at 1100. Power's at 21.
Traffic, helicopter 4010, pop, 6 miles north, 1,500, transitioning from north to south along the west bank of the Connecticut River. Goodspeed traffic. Goodspeed traffic, full plane 642. Yeah, get a seaplane. We're going to be 500 feet below southbound.
Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec's Abeam. The numbers we're setting up for a landing runway 32 Goodspeed. All right, we're Abeam. Power's going to 1500.
That's popping off here at Goodspeed today.
That's not my flaps. There's my 1 notch of flaps. That's my parking brake.
Yeah, you set that parking brake and we're going to drag these tires all the way down the runway.
$1,500. Notch the flaps in. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec turning left, base, runway 32 Goodspeed.
Okay, we're going to enter right.
800. Full flaps. Power's going back.
Sky Acres, Skyhawk 628, 5 miles east. We're going to set up for 35. We're going to fly over the field at 22.
600, 70.
Drop into left downwind 35, Sky Acres.
Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec turning final runway 32 Goodspeed.
Get that speed closer to 60. That's going to make this approach, or at least the flare, quite a bit shorter.
Goodspeed traffic, helicopter 4010, pop 3.5 miles to the north, 1,500, transitioning north to south along the west bank of the Connecticut River. Goodspeed traffic.
There you go.
Flaps down, brake nice.
Look at that. We have a whole half of the runway left.
You gave me some confidence booster there. Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 3, back tick to runway 32 Goodspeed.
Goodspeed Traffic, helicopter 401, 0 pop, 1.5 miles to the west, 1,500, transitioning southbound along the west bank of the Connecticut River. Goodspeed Traffic.
He's transitioning southbound.
Along the west bank.
On the west bank, okay, roger that. Alright, parking brakes. I'll just make my call now. Goodspeed Traffic, Warrior 3133 Quebec, we're taxiing onto runway 32, where we'll be departing, heading toward Hartford. We'll stay away from the helicopter that's coming in. Goodspeed. We got flaps 2. Alright, that's straight. Double check.
The message on the GPS.
Swap tanks, my dude. Alright, we're gonna swap to the left. Good time to swap.
Right before takeoff.
Right before takeoff. Alright, coming down. Everything looks good, primer's locked. Parking brakes off. Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 3 Quebec is on the roll. Runway 32 Goodspeed. Looking for 53.
Goodspeed Traffic, helicopter 401, 0 pop, 2 miles to the south, 1,500.
Looking for 63 for the VY.
Goodspeed Traffic.
Trim for 63. There's my bridge. Feel like I'm going to clear it. Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec's on the departure leg. 32 Goodspeed. Alright. Positive rate of climb, 1 notch out. We're at 400. Looking for 79. 500. Airplane's clean. Trim for 79. A lot of wires below us. We're clear of them. Head back to Hartford.
And there we go.
Goodspeed Traffic, helicopter 401, 0 pop, 3.5 miles to the south, 1,500, continuing southbound, last call. Goodspeed.
Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 3133 Quebec is 1.5 miles north of the field. Departing the area, we're at 1,000 climbing for Hartford. Goodspeed.